What happens when AI plans my meals for a whole day? Sounds crazy, right? Imagine waking up and not having to think about what to eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Just open an app and voila, your entire day's meals are sorted. Well, I love food and I love tech. Combining these two passions seemed like a no-brainer. I mean, who wouldn't want a personal chef that knows exactly what you like and what's good for you, so I had to try it. I downloaded this highly recommended app that promised to revolutionize my eating habits. I found this new app. It's like a fitness tracker but for food. It tracks what you eat, suggests recipes, and even plans your meals based on your preferences and nutritional needs. You tell it your dietary needs and what you like. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just a picky eater, it takes everything into account. Then, bam, it makes a whole day of meals just for you. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks are all planned out. It's like having a dietitian in your pocket. I was a little scared. Would it be any good? Would the meals be tasty and satisfying, or would I end up hungry and disappointed? Would it understand my weird love for peanut butter and pickles? I mean, that's a pretty unique craving, right? Only one way to find out. I decided to give it a shot and see if AI could really handle my kitchen. This AI is a data-eating monster. It's designed to consume and analyze every bit of information you feed it. Imagine a digital beast that thrives on data, constantly learning and evolving with each new piece of information. It's both fascinating and a little bit intimidating. It took all my info, height, weight, activity level. Every detail about my physical health was absorbed into its vast database. It's like having a personal trainer, nutritionist, and health coach all rolled into one but in digital form. Then, it wanted to know my favorite foods. It asked me to list everything I love to eat, from my guilty pleasures to my everyday staples. This AI was determined to understand my culinary preferences down to the last detail. Spicy, sweet, savory, it wanted to know it all. The AI was relentless in its quest to map out my taste buds. It even asked about the intensity of flavors I preferred. It even asked about allergies. This AI was thorough, ensuring it had every piece of information to create a personalized experience. It wanted to make sure nothing would harm me. Once it had all the data, it got to work. The AI began processing everything, analyzing the data with incredible speed and precision. It was like watching a supercomputer in action, breaking down and understanding every bit of information. The app showed a spinning loading circle. I waited, watching the little icon spin round and round. It was a moment of anticipation, wondering what the AI would come up with. It felt like an eternity. Seconds stretched into minutes as I waited for the results. The suspense was almost unbearable. Finally, my meal plan popped up. It looked interesting. The AI had crafted a detailed plan, tailored to my preferences and nutritional needs. It was impressive, to say the least. The AI had some creative names for the dishes. Each meal had a unique and intriguing title, making the whole experience feel special and personalized. Sunrise Power Bowl for breakfast. It sounded like the perfect way to start the day, packed with nutrients and energy. Zen Garden Salad for lunch, and for dinner, Fusion Fiesta. Each meal was thoughtfully crafted, balancing flavors and nutrition. Okay, AI, you got my attention. This digital dietitian had certainly made an impression, and I was curious to see how it would all play out. First up, the Sunrise Power Bowl. It was surprisingly good. The combination of oatmeal, fresh berries, crunchy nuts, and a drizzle of honey was not only visually appealing, but also a delightful start to the day. The AI's choice of ingredients was spot on, providing a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Oatmeal with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. The sweetness of the honey perfectly complemented the tartness of the berries, while the nuts added a satisfying crunch. Simple, but the AI nailed the portions. Each ingredient was measured to perfection, ensuring a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. I felt energized and ready for the day. The nutritious breakfast set a positive tone, making me feel more alert and focused. Zen Garden Salad for lunch was light and refreshing. The mix of crisp greens and tender grilled chicken was both satisfying and invigorating. Mixed greens, grilled chicken, and a tangy ginger dressing. The ginger dressing added a zesty kick that elevated the entire dish. The AI even suggested adding avocado for healthy fats. Smart! The creamy texture of the avocado paired wonderfully with the crisp greens and juicy chicken. Dinner was the real test, Fusion Fiesta. This dish was a bold and adventurous choice, showcasing the AI's ability to blend diverse flavors. It was a wild mix of flavors, black bean salsa, grilled fish, and a mango avocado salsa. The combination of the smoky grilled fish with the tangy black bean salsa and the sweet mango avocado salsa was a culinary delight, spicy, sweet, and savory all at once. Each bite was an explosion of flavors, keeping my taste buds entertained and satisfied. The AI definitely knows how to party in your mouth. It was an impressive display of how technology can enhance our culinary experiences, making each meal an adventure. So, can AI be your personal chef? I'm not giving up my apron just yet, but this AI meal plan was a fun and surprisingly delicious experience. The AI considered my preferences and created meals that were healthy and tasty. It even helped me break out of my food rut and try new things. If you're looking for some culinary inspiration, give AI a try. You might be surprised at what it cooks up.